Welcome to Aladdinmall, the easiest way to launch your online store in just minutes. We're built for small business owners, freelancers, and service providers who want a free, commission-free, hassle-free way to go digital. Whether you sell food, provide cleaning services, or run a beauty studio, Aladdinmall gives you your own branded website with no coding or monthly fees. Let's show you how fast it is to get started. All you need is an email, phone number, and business address. That's it, no technical knowledge required. No payment setup needed at this stage. In less than 1 minute, your personalized online store is ready. Take a second to imagine this your own live storefront, instantly visible online and ready for customers. Let's click the button and see it in action. Here's the live version of the store we just created. Your customers can browse your products or services, add items to their cart, and place an order all on a mobile-friendly website. Whether you offer fixed prices or custom quotes, Aladdinmall makes it simple and intuitive for buyers to book your services or make a purchase. As a seller, you'll have full access to your own personalized dashboard, your command center for everything. Here, you can easily edit your store profile, update your hours, contact info, and business details. Adding a new product or service is lightning fast. Just upload a photo, add a name, description, and price, then hit publish. Within seconds, your listing goes live. No coding, no complicated setup, just simple, intuitive tools built for everyday business owners.